Your Excellencies, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, of course, the governors have had their time, and let's now listen with rapt attention as they read out the communique that has emerged from the meeting. Your Excellencies.
A communique of the South Governors Forum meeting held on Tuesday, the 28th of January 2025 at the Governors Conference Room, Government House, Yenagoa. The South Governors Forum convened on Tuesday, 28th January 2025 at Government House, Yenagoa, Bayelsa State, to discuss pressing issues and strategies vital for the unity and development of the region. We, the governors, representing the states that form the South-South geopolitical region of Nigeria, are committed to collaborative governance, ensuring the well-being of our people and advancing sustainable development. The forum resolved to, 1, extend our heartfelt appreciation to Mr. President, His Excellency Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his steadfast support and commitment that led to the emergence of our esteemed son, His Excellency Senator Godswill Obot Akpabio, GCON, as President of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We commend Mr. President for the award and commencement of the Coastal Road projects and appeal that work should also begin from the Calabar axis of the road. This strategic infrastructure will not only enhance connectivity, but also stimulate economic development in the region. We thank Mr. President for the ongoing work on the East-West Road. The forum emphasized the need to expedite action towards the completion of that road. This will facilitate movement within the region, noting that it is the major road that links all the South-South states. The forum further requests the federal government to urge relevant stakeholders and agencies to extend the remediation of polluted environment ongoing in Ogoniland to other impacted communities and states in the region. The forum calls on the federal government to activate the railway line in Port Harcourt and connect all other South-South states. We support Mr. President's tax reform bill, and the forum further urged Mr. President to extend the proposed VAT sharing percentages to other areas of derivation, such as oil and gas. The forum forged a collaborative pathway forward amongst the states of the region, emphasizing the importance of unity in our collective efforts to achieve shared goals. The forum further talked about to establish a robust structural regional security network aimed at enhancing safety and security in the South-South region. Such a network will be instrumental in fostering a stable environment conducive to economic growth and prosperity. The forum encourages member states to broaden their economic horizon by diversifying beyond oil and gas. In conclusion, we reaffirm our dedication to the ideals of unity, progress, and collaborative governance. The challenges we face as a region are daunting, but our commitment to overcoming them through collective action, strategic partnerships, and inclusive policies remain unwavering. Thank you.